Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most used functions in Excel, the HLOOKUP function. This function is very similar to the VLOOKUP function. As you can see on the right side of the screen, this is what the syntax for HLOOKUP looks like. Excel uses HLOOKUP as a tool to determine which value we want depending on the column of a certain ID number or any reference number that we put. To further explain what HLOOKUP does, let's answer this sample problem. What is Simon's grade in mathematics? To determine his grade, we have to use the HLOOKUP function. To do this, let's follow the syntax. As soon as you finish typing the function, you are going to be asked a lookup value. Since we're looking for Simon, let's go ahead and place Simon. For the table array, let's go ahead and select the whole table. For the next value, which is row index num, we should determine which row we are going to take the value from. Since mathematics is located on the third row of the table we selected, let's go ahead and place 3. And lastly, for the range lookup, let's go ahead and enter false since we are going for an exact match. Let's go ahead and close the function with a close parentheses and press enter. And there we have it. The answer is 78, which is the same as what we wanted. And that is how we use the HLOOKUP function in Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.